Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I'm here to share another altered playing card with you all. It is for Deck the Year, hashtag Deck the Year I should say, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'll have her link down below. So I want to say happy Halloween. It's October 31st. We are on week 44. Oh my gosh. Um, so I was crafting last night with some friends and I pulled out my card and I used things around my desk and this is what I came up with. I love this die. This die came from, I think it's AliExpress, and I just love the detail of it. It's two dies in one. This is a layer piece to the shadow. So I used some paper from Hobby Lobby, and this is a die cut that I die cut, I don't know, a year or two ago. I used some of the other leaves as well. I think that came from I think this is what, a Spellbinders or a Sizzix. Oh, Autumn Leaves. I want to say this is Spellbinders. So I'm currently using that for my fall cards this year. I did a finger bow with some Dollar Tree twine. I love this twine. Look how much I got. I have a whole bunch. I added a little button in the center, and then I used this faux vintage tape. And you use just regular masking tape, and you lay it on some sticker paper, and you add different alcohol inks to it to make it look aged, and I just love how that looked. And Lollapalooza taught me how to do that, and I just absolutely love it. And I have this, I used one strip already. So I have like two more strips that I could use, and it goes a long way. Um, and I inked the edges with some vintage photo. I sanded down my card first so it would pick up the ink better. And that's it. We are on week 44. Yeah, so this is my card for this week. I want to thank everybody watching. Happy Halloween, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.